Let me put you guys up on game real quick because FICO 10T is officially live. It's actually been in play, but nobody has been paying attention. Most people have no idea what that means for your approval. Everybody is used to FICO 8. FICO 8 is like taking a picture, a single snapshot of your credit the day that they pull it. FICO 10, baby, that's like a movie, not a picture. It uses 24 months of trended data. What that means is lenders can now see your balance patterns. So where with FICO 8, they can normally see just your utilization, where your card usage is at the time that they pull it. With FICO 10T, they can see how you have paid down and how your utilization has ran for the last 24 months. How you actually use credit. So have things went left? Are you high risk? How has your balances been? Were collections added at a certain point? What has been happening over the last 2 years? They can see that information as well. Okay. Another thing that is different, um, they can actually see whether you are consistent, whether you are chaotic with your payments. They take a look at your spending and repayment behavior. Are you leaving balances on your card? Are you paying your card down in full? Things of that nature. So even if you have a high FICO, a high score right now, FICO 10 exposes the story behind it. So FICO 8, what does your credit look like today? FICO 10T, how have you managed your credit for the last 2 years? Again, this means maxing out your credit cards, even temporary, can hurt you. Consistently running a high utilization is going to get you flagged. Paying your card to zero right before an application will not save you. Authorized user hacks, they don't work anymore. Just don't even worry about it. Focus on primary accounts. FICO 10T rewards discipline, consistency, and long term behavior. So if you've been treating your credit like a quick fix, baby, that season is over. It is so important for you guys to lock in and work on your credit, especially with 2026 coming and all kind of changes that are in play. If you want to win under FICO 10C, you need to lower your utilization, fewer balance, one-time payment history. On-time payment history. Sorry, real spending control. So, like, I know it's very hard with the way the economy is right now, but you have to be strategic with the way you're spending. You need to show strong primary trade lines. Like, this is a whole new ball game, and I've been warning you guys about it. FICO 10T, that talk started like maybe 2, 3 years ago, and I was telling y'all, hey, it's on the way. And people were just like, whatever. So it is important. Lock in on your credit right now. If you need assistance, text ready to 484-578-3367 so we can go ahead and get to work, because the longer you wait, the longer it's going to be, of course, messed up, and you give them more information to judge you on.